So members, you can see these are our pigeons. As you've seen, we've just introduced them on our farm. Many of you don't know these ones, so you come and adventure on our farm in the coming days. We just brought them at our farm. We are just going to get them where to stay. This one is just a temporary house. At Eliane's farm, as I've told you, it's a 1-acre model system. Now, this is the system for the poultry. It's a poultry house. The cameraman can show you well. Now we are going to the poultry house. Come with me. This is our door. You can see the entry. These are turkeys. We just introduced them on our farm. Alongside they are guinea fowls. Some of you don't know them. We have also just introduced them. The guinea fowls. Alongside you can see these are our hens. This farm of ours, it's like a local, or these hens, they act as our incubators. Since we don't have a machine as per now to incubate our eggs, we have some hens that lay eggs there. Then these ones, they act as our incubators. It's a continuational process. Some of these can even hatch for a month. For us, we are just bringing eggs. We bring eggs. Then when the chick is ready, we remove it. So this is our system. And there you can see in the corner, it's where the turkeys and the guinea lay eggs. The cameraman can show you some of the eggs the turkey is laying. So our farm is just beginning, but in the coming days you come and observe. Then alongside we are going to another section. And this one is for the layers. They are broilers mixed with locals. So they lay eggs. The cameraman can show you some of vines. We've got like 2 cocks. Cameraman can show you. It's just a beginning farm. Don't worry about the size of the farm, but as I've told you, it's a 1-acre model. You have to utilize space. So alongside here in this cage, we can call it a brooder because the fertilized chicks from the other side, we bring them this side in this cage. So you can see these are the chicks from the other side. You can see. Then this side, when we see that the chick is grown, we take it to the other cage, the next cage. So it's a process. From here, when we see that it's growing up, we put it in the other side. The cameraman can show you the other side. So these are grown up ones. So these ones are from the other side. After hatching, bring them this side. in our brooder. So this is our farm, and the cameraman can show you the way we made this thing. This is a light, this one, so that even at night they can be able to eat. You can see the whole system is wired up from the other side. This is our light, so that at night they can also be able to eat. You can see the whole system is connected, the whole house is connected. So that is our farm, our small farm. You can see where they lay eggs. When after laying, we remove the eggs. After laying from that corner, we remove the eggs and put it on the other side. So that is it.